Alright y'all, so we out here with this Tyro99, and I have a 1500 milliamp hour graphene 110C battery on here. Let's check it out, line of sight first. Do a punch out. Not bad at all. So this thing looks nice. I don't understand what people are saying about this thing not really having power or speed. Seems pretty fast to me. And I'm not even kicking the throttle all the way up. Let's look at a punch out from it. We got other flyers out here. I'm a little nervous about flying doing a speed run, but let's do one this direction. And that's not even full throttle, guys. I turned the roll rate up a little. So this thing is awesome for 99 bucks. Yeah, this thing, and if this is 5S compatible, and I still have the stock props on it. Look at the yaw rate I have on it. I got the yaw at about 70. Do some power loops. Andy RC said nobody really does power loops. I'm guessing he probably never watched my channel because I'm always doing power loops. I think I do too many power loops. So I guess we're gonna see, oh, I don't really have a buzzer on here. So I'm gonna take this thing back apart and add a buzzer because I think that's a must with any FPV quad. Because when you lose it, what the heck are you gonna do? I'm thinking I might put this new Fly buzzer. Once I get that, I might add that. No lack of power whatsoever from what I'm seeing. Man, this thing is awesome. I don't know what they're talking about. But that's it. Tyro99, $99 build. Bang good. Thanks for watching.